So I have some good news and I have some bad news when it comes to Shiba Inu. And I think you guys are actually really going to like the good news. And I think we need some of it, right? So the bad news, first and foremost, Shiba Inu did fall out of some of its support levels. We did fall out of this trend that we've been in, which is very disappointing. It would have been nice to see Shiba Inu continue this, but unfortunately, we're just kind of stuck moving along with the broader crypto market. So over the last 5 days, Shiba Inu basically did 4 red days and 1 green day, which is the exact same thing that we saw from BTC as well, right? 4 red, 1 green. And it just shows you that right now, Shiba Inu is not doing anything different than what the broader crypto market is doing. We're kind of following it right now, which isn't surprising because, again, remember what the big driver of Shiba Inu is? It's retail. Right now, we're not seeing those big retail inflows, so we're kind of stuck following everything right now. Now, that's the bad news. The good news, guys, the good news is that we actually came down and we bounced off of our 200-day moving average, which is our crucial support for Shiba Inu. It's what's currently holding us above no man's land here. And Shib did not like touching it, right? We touched it here yesterday, got down into the high teens, a level I didn't even think that we would come back to, and we bounced right out of it very, very quickly. So this is very exciting. Now, the other silver lining to this is that we may see something very different this next week. And I want to tell you guys why this is. Now, what really didn't help us out this week was institutional money. Institutional money, historically speaking, at least over the last 3 weeks, has been something that has been very beneficial to us. We had 18 straight days, $3 billion of net inflows. And, that obviously positively impacted the Shiba Inu charts. As Bitcoin was moving back up, as Ethereum was moving back up, Shiba Inu was moving up as well, making some nice strides forward. But as soon as that switch flipped and went the opposite way, well, things kind of turned to crap. That unfortunately can happen, guys. Now, what is very exciting here is that when we look at what Shiba Inu has done here over this consolidation period and what BTC has done during the same time, typically when we have these 2 straight weeks of essentially bleeding in the market, we tend to have a recovery week, right? You guys can see that in terms of BTC here, nice recovery week, BTC here, nice recovery week. And now taking a look at the Shiba Inu charts, same thing, right? Double bleed, nice bounce week, double bleed, nice bounce week. And right now we've gone through again that double week of bleeding here in terms of the charts. So we may actually be positioned for a bounce week. What's kind of indicating that as well is if we look at the RSI, you guys can see that we basically came down, almost tapped this oversold level. So Shiba Inu right now, I think, is very deeply discounted compared to where it should be. You guys got to remember that just on May 29th, we were on the verge of actually breaking 403. So this is a huge, huge discount from those levels. Now, this is not financial advice. It's not a guarantee. People can do what they want. But right now, us kind of settling into these levels is a perfect confirmation to me. This is exactly what I've been waiting for in terms of spots to add, to pick up cheaper positions. I'm adding SHIB. I'm adding other assets as well. Again, you guys can do what you want, but we know what tends to come from here. It's good times. Deeper into alt season, assets start running wild, and these discounts, these deep drops that we've experienced are the ones that we're actually really thankful for. So I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know what you think we're going to get this weekend, if we're going to get more of the same, more drop, or if we're going to start to turn things around a little bit. But have a great day. Show your love. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.